I just had a piece of coffee cake and I feel a little better. I am hungry and I am ready to head back to camp.
We're going to the vintage car show with our friends Roy and Sue. Near? Far? Far? Near? I know. That's what we do all the time.
It's pretty nifty. I've seen cars like that before. Stinks.
Okay, we're heading out. We're gonna go for a ride around the town and go check it out. Good morning.
Good morning.
This is our last day in Winthrop. It's been an amazing trip. Today we are headed out to go do the Rendezvous Basin Loop, which is 17 and a half kilometers, about 11 miles, 770 meters of elevation, 2,500 feet.
And I think it's going to kill me.
And I know it's going to kill me because I can't get into the easy gears on my bike. So
She doesn't need easy gears.
it's going to be a grind, but
She needs the grind.
I like going uphill.
She loves suffering.
Yeah, I love to suffer.
Not me.
Yeah, so it's been an amazing trip. We
Met an amazing couple from Bellingham who we kind of hung out with for a bit. That was great. They left today, unfortunately.
yeah, Roy and Sue.
Yeah.
You know, they're actually were just so amazing. They're in their late 60s and really inspirational to me. Makes me want to keep on living an active life. I mean, they're basically just like us, but a little bit older. You know,
Yeah.
riding their bikes, healthy, fit.
Yeah.
Just a healthy lifestyle. I'm really glad we met them. It was a great time.
Yep. And the weather was really good. And yeah, I couldn't ask for a better week.
Yeah, I think the weather.
Week.
Yeah, the weather was perfect. It was perfect weather for riding. Not too
Perfect.
hot, not too cold. It was great. And so tomorrow,
We
we're
head to Princeton.
we're heading up north, back into Canada.
All right. Have a good day.
Yeah, we'll see you out in the
later.
trail.
Yeah, bye.
Trails. Bye. Well, we made it to the trailhead. Well, it's not really the trailhead, but we can start the trail at this point, and that was quite the adventure. The road that Yeah, the road we were supposed to go up, it was, I think our vehicle would have tipped over and fallen down a cliff. So we went to a local cycling shop and the nice lady directed us how to get here. So hopefully it's going to go okay. I don't know. It's already noon, so.
Yeah, well, we can always turn around.
Yeah, we'll see how it goes.
Okay.
Bye. Whew. Yeah, it definitely is hard. Just waiting for Leanne. Wow, so this is awesome. This is called Gardener Hut. You can rent this and stay in it. It's really awesome. Check it out.
You can rent this.
Yeah.
Wow. So is it locked? Did you try?
I didn't try.
Nope.
No, it's open.
So you could come up here. This is unbelievable. It's got a wood stove. It's got like mugs, everything. Like you can cook. Oven. Even propane.
Wow.
Like everything you need.
Dishes?
Yeah. Cutlery, pots, garbage.
I think this is better than our treehouse.
Oh. This is incredible. So I guess in the winter they ski up here. And look, there's a loft. So 2 real beds, bunk beds, and then up here there's 2 more beds.
All right, we're gonna continue on.
Hippers! Down the trail.
What hut are we at?
Rendezvous hut, right here.
We made it to our second hut. You know, if we would have known we could cook, we would have brought some food with us to cook. Instead of our spring energy gels, it would have been nice to have some cooked food right now. It is so beautiful up here. It's stunning. It's an amazing place if you're a cross-country skier. You ski up here and you can ski from hut to hut in the winter. I think I might take up cross-country skiing just to ski up to these huts.
Well, that was my favorite ride for sure. I would definitely do this trail again. I just had a piece of coffee cake and I feel a little better. I am hungry and I am ready to head back to camp.
I am actually exhausted. Leanne has finally managed to exhaust me. There was a couple spots I actually got off and walked because I was slightly terrified. But it was a good trail. I would come back and do it again, but I like Buck. I would do Buck again. Actually, all the trails I do all over again. Come down to Winthrop and go mountain biking. It's awesome.
Buck is a lot of work.
It is a lot of work.
Yep.
A lot of up, but the down is a lot of fun.
Oh yeah, the down was incredible.
Yeah, Sun Mountain's amazing.
Yeah.
Come and ride.
Come and ride in Winthrop.
Yeah, well.
You won't be disappointed.
No. And so we're gonna head back to camp. We're gonna
get packing up and we're heading out tomorrow morning.
Early tomorrow morning.
All right. See you later.
Bye.
Bye. Oh no, I was just seeing if that light was on.
this is the end of our trip. We're heading north. We're heading back into Canada. We're gonna head up to Princeton to visit an old friend of ours, Tiny Dancer, or Lisa Comes Lately, depending on what mood she's in. Hi, Lisa.
The weather was fantastic. The riding here is unbelievable.
Incredible riding here.
Please subscribe. We'd greatly appreciate it. See you in the next adventure.
Bye.
Bye.